If you're seeing a Telegram API error and you're stuck trying to create or activate your app, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that solve the problem for a lot of users. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to change so you can get past the error and continue with your setup. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. First, let's start with the most common issue, ad blockers. If you have extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, or anything similar enabled in your browser, turn them off for Telegram's website. These extensions can sometimes block important activation or verification scripts in the background, which can trigger API errors or prevent the page from loading correctly. After disabling them, refresh the page and try again. If that doesn't solve it, move on to the next fix, your VPN. Telegram can be very strict with certain IP ranges, and sometimes a VPN connection can cause the API or sign-up process to fail. If you already have a VPN turned on, switch it off and retry. If you're not using a VPN at all, then it may actually help to connect to a different, stable VPN server and test again. The goal here is to find a cleaner route that Telegram accepts without flagging the request. Next, try changing your browser mode. One of the easiest fixes is to open the site in incognito mode or private browsing. This gives you a fresh session without old cookies, cached scripts, or conflicting browser extensions interfering with the process. If you're on a Mac, another good option is to use Apple Safari instead of your usual browser, because in some cases Safari handles the Telegram login or app registration flow more smoothly. Once you've done that, go back to the application form and check your app details carefully. This next step is surprisingly important. Change both the app title and the short name completely to lowercase letters. Don't use uppercase characters, symbols, or unusual formatting. Keep everything simple and consistent. In many cases, Telegram's API error can be caused by the naming format, and switching to lowercase is enough to make the form accept your submission. After making that change, save the form and try submitting it again. If the error disappears, great, you're back on track. If not, repeat the process one more time after clearing the page, making sure the ad blocker is disabled, the VPN setting is correct, and the browser session is clean. These small changes often make the difference between a failed request and a successful one. So to recap, disable ad blockers, toggle your VPN, use Incognito or Safari, and change the app title and short name to lowercase. Those 4 steps fix a lot of Telegram API issues fast. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.